Hey everybody, Carlos is here from Foresight Effects with another live video, and today we're going to be deploying a live trade as the non-farm payroll. All this information came about. See here the nice spike to the upside. On the left side we have our good old friend the dashboard correlator, and we're just waiting here for the continuation of the market. We usually go on and start trading our base methodology after 10 a.m. And the first things that we usually do is we like to assess the information that we provide based on starting off with a 60-minute chart, see where we're at. We can certainly see here a upward movement, so we're certainly backed up by the actual price action moving to the upside, so we're certainly going to the upper side. Now these are the two levels of targets that we provided, and we already make some profits today. You can see them right there, a very quick scalp trade to the upper side, just testing out a few things, but the actual trading is about to happen in any moment now. In about 10 minutes, around 10:05, 10:10 we start doing our own stuff. But I'm certainly looking for an opportunity to go along the market, and we're going to be targeting the 67.50 in this level. All right, so that's it for now. I'm going to wait for about another 15-20 minutes, and I'll come back and we start analyzing the market based on the 5-minute chart. But once again, I just added the two next levels, so the next resistance should be 66, 67.50, and 69. From where the prices are hovering right now, we're talking about a 4-point, 8-point, almost 10-point gainer. As long as everything's still in place, we're probably going to be placing a very nice trade to the upper side. So what we're going to be doing right now is going to sit back, wait. Even if prices pull back to our major support base level, which is an area where we're considering heavily to go along the market, it's going to be around 61 to the 59.25. All right, so I'm going to pause the video, bring back the results in a moment, and you'll see it live as I'm placing the trades live in front of you today using our methodology, the pivot step system unleashed for trading the Emini, as well as applying the same strategy for our strategies on the binary options. So I'll be back. All right, guys, we're back, and we have here, I just went long pretty quick. I'm going to add another bucket of contracts buy at market. There you go. Reason being, we have the potential of buy at 64 even. We got this signal going on with the analyse, back up by the good old dashboard right here. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be targeting the 66 and eventually 69. Those are the two actual major targets. We have a middle one right at 67.50. So we're going to be looking for the opportunity to capitalize with this, guys. All right, but let's see how this works out. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be liquidating. Let's just put sell limit 10 of these at the first target of 66 out of 63.75, and see how this evolves. As long as these guys are above 251, I mean 230, actually 200, and we got Japanese yen and Euro and USD to the negative side, these guys should keep going on and pulling up towards the upper side of the market. So let's see how this reacts. All right, we're back, and here we go. Finally, the first target was reached. As you see, we liquidated two of the blocks of 10 lots. So honestly, I'm going to be closing here the remaining of what it is, as I feel comfortable with the trades so far. This is a specific system that I've been going on, the brand new updated version. It's quite hefty, but I think is extremely powerful. All right, so I just wanted to show you the power of the synergy zone area where the high probability of reversal points may happen, our targeting price and strategy. All of that is being taught into the Day Trading The Emini pivot step unleashed system. You're going to have access to our very own exclusive Emini dashboard created by Steven, one of the best market traders based on correlations on the news. Well, you also going to have access to all the currencies if you want to feel comfortable trading those, as we're going to be providing more extra training on how to trade the euro dollar, British pound, and all that stuff using the correlations here, as Steve is going to be doing that as well, and on a private one-on-one webinar, but that's included on the course if you feel comfortable taking those courses. Also, last but not least, let me just show you today's result using our strategy as the Midas Touch binary trading strategy that we are looking for. And I'm going to show you the results of today's trade. Give me a second. All right, guys, here it is. Let me just bring in the results of today. And this is what we call a great trading system and strategy. This is our Midas Touch digital and touch version. Specifically with the specific rules of engagement as we've seen. So we not only can trade directly into the market as you saw it right here, we know exactly what the market is going to hold, where they're going for, and take my word, they're going for the 6750. So your question might be, if you know that's going to happen, why don't you trade it? Well, the reason is because I already fulfilled my daily goals objective. Why would I spend all day here when I can just trade when the odds are highly on our favor, and we capitalize consistently and specifically on the market that we're looking for? If you notice, we trade the S&P future specifically, and today we were expecting this day to be very nicely. Now take a look here. This is we went high on the stake here because we knew exactly what we can expect from these trades. All right, so you're going to be learning all this stuff as part of the mentoring program of Trading the Emini with the P-Step Unleashed and the Midas Touch binary trading system. We got the digital version, which means digital means if the prices end up higher or lower, and the touch version that is exclusively for VIP members, but I'm going to be including it if you take advantage of this opportunity of becoming one of my students before year's end. All right, so I just wanted to show you that not only we make a very nice hefty return of investment today of $1,090 on 5 trades where we won 5 of the trades, but on top of that, we can see here that we made an additional $2,250 trading directly the E-mini. Not many of a movement, completely relaxed, knowing what we expect from the market. If you're interested about following through these levels, just fill out the form below. You're going to be receiving an additional information and going to be contacted. I do not spam people. I don't promote stuff. So if you, I don't promote stuff that is not legit or that actually provides consistent profits. So if you don't like receiving those kind of recommendations, don't opt in. But this is only the only forms that you need to fill in to receive information when we're going to be launching soon. The next class every month we have a class, and it's 4 classes. So you're gonna have a one-on-one Skype call with me for 1 hour for every week. Every week is a module which I'm going to be teaching you and giving you assignments, and you're going to be providing those results of the assignments. Next class, we're going to be providing, clearing out the questions. But here's the kicker. No one is doing this. My customer service is by far the most impressive one, and I'm not saying it's because it's me or saying it. It's because I know for a fact that I create something that I was looking for myself. If you have a question, you just ask me the question, and I reply to you on exclusive video reply. So I sit down, recorded video session to answer your questions. So the only thing that I can ask you for is that you sit down, you write down from that week all your questions about that module, and I reply one full video just for you so you can have access to it. And if many people actually are on the call or on the training session, that on that period of class, everybody will take advantage of the same doubts. So everybody will be cleared out on their doubts and questions. So I by far tell you that I am 100% based on customer service. It is the only thing that we can differentiate out there from scam and all those so-called gurus that teach you halfway through the information and not provide you with real benefit. All right, so that's it. I'm going to make this video short right now, so I'm sorry for that. Thank you very much for watching it. I wish you the very best. If you want more information, just send me information at mentoring@daytradingtheemini.com, and I hope to see you on the next video.